It's Aqid and I'm going on a one-day trip with nothing but 50 ringgit for food, another 50 for fuel, and a red bright car to see how much I can do around different cities. If I can cover as many locations in one day with a small budget, clearly we can all see that it's not impossible. Today I'm going around Ipoh to discover new places and a whole lot of food. So join me on this extravagant, budget-friendly journey. Starting the day early to get some fuel and a heavy breakfast because there's gonna be a bit of a hike. You gotta have all the energy that you can. I think that was too much. Okay, now I found a great spot on my second location today and I have two choices here. I boleh masuk Taman Rekreasi Gunung Lang ni, or I can just stay and sit in the car while enjoying this peaceful scenery. Check this out. And kalau I bosan, I can go through the app Connect here to dengar lagu, listen to some podcast, or saja tengok the map to see where I am. Like, oh look, I'm currently in the lake. There's a lot of options here, but nothing beats this view. As the weather gets hotter, I head on over to Heng Square to look for some coconut ice cream. Hey, it's good. That's all I can say. I'm left with 11 ringgit also, but there's more locations to go, so next location. And a nice cold soy wouldn't hurt, right? Alright, got myself some Funny Mountain soya bean. Soya chinchou for 250, Hao Fufa for 3 ringgit. A quick tip for you guys, if you ever want to do a 50 ringgit budget travel like I am, or travel to any long distance, tak kisah berapa jauh lah, make sure you go check if your battery has enough water or not, and always check with a service assistant if your battery needs charging, if you have an old battery lah, okay? Just pergi service je, because I just want you all to have a safer journey on your trip, okay? Now I am in awe with this place. I mean, I never really expected Malaysia to have a place as beautiful as this. It's peaceful, it's calming, and I am glad I came here today. Now I just want to walk around and then on to our final destination. I think I'm lost. I found the secret entrance. And this is basically it. Okay, you come to the platform, you can take photos here, look at the nice view. People come here to spend time with their family and friends. Now I just want to relax myself before I head back home. Right now, I am on my way back home, still menggunakan RM50 yang I isi pagi tadi. Ipoh has been lovely and I want to thank Volkswagen for lending me the Polo joint. And if you guys want to book and test drive a Polo joint yourself, link is in the description down below. So thank you for watching, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye!
Volkswagen.